Hey guys, in this video we're going to make Oreo cheesecake cookies. This is one of my favorite cookies and I'm sure you'll love these too. This cookie is so tender and it is perfectly sweet with a nice tangy flavor because of the cream cheese. You can actually eat heaps of it and not feel too sugar overload, and it is so simple to make. We only need 5 ingredients and all in one bowl. Now let's go and make it. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need are salted butter, softened cream cheese, white sugar, all-purpose flour, and Oreo cookies. First, we're going to chop the Oreo cookies using a knife. Cut each piece into 4 or 6 cookie chunks. I'm using 10 cookies, but you can add a few more if you'd like. Also, I know other people like to crush their cookies with a rolling pin, but I don't really recommend that because it would create too many crumbs, which would turn the cookie dough into a more brown color instead of whitish. Now we have our chopped cookies and we're just going to leave this on the side for now while we make our cookie dough. In a mixing bowl, add softened cream cheese. Make sure, by the way, that you use regular cream cheese because it makes the cookies soft and chewy. Add the salted butter. If you're using unsalted, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then add the white sugar as well. Mix this with an electric mixer, but if you don't have one, you can also use a whisk and mix the ingredients using these, whatever you're using. And because we're using softened butter and cream cheese, it's very easy to mix. So before you start baking, leave your butter and cream cheese at room temperature, or if you don't have enough time, you can also place it in a bowl and cover it with warm water, then let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once it's fully combined, add the flour to the cream cheese mixture and then continue to blend it together. Add the chopped Oreo cookies to the mixture and gently fold it together. And just make sure that the cheesecake dough is fully mixed. So the Oreo cookies and the dough is mixed so that all of the dough has some bits and pieces of Oreo cookies. Then cover the dough with cling wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until the batter is firm to touch. Because we added cream cheese to the mixture, you'll find that the dough is a bit softer than usual cookie dough. That's why we put it in the refrigerator to cool it a little bit before baking. While we're waiting, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, we can now scoop our cookie dough. Using an ice cream scooper or a spoon, you can scoop the batter and then roll it into small balls and place it on a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Use a spoon to press down on the dough balls that we just rolled to make them more flat and help them form a cookie shape. These cookies, they do not spread a whole lot without some help. That's why we have to flatten the cookie dough balls into disc so that they will cook evenly. Bake it for 12 to 15 minutes or until cookies turn golden brown on the bottom. While the cookies are still soft and warm, you can add more Oreo pieces on top of the cookies if you'd like. This is optional though, it's still delicious even without it, I swear. Let the cookies cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes on the baking sheet, and then you can transfer it to a wire rack to cool it completely. You can store the cookies at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Enjoy your cream cheese Oreo cookies, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family too. Thank you guys for watching and hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram @PreMC for more updates. See you in the next one.